Good morning friends. Today I am going to explain about how to protect our document from others. That is how to restrict editing our document. To protect our document, first of all click on developer menu. See here developer menu. In developer menu restrict editing option is available. So click on the restrict editing option. So whenever I will click on the restrict editing option, immediately the right side, see here restrict editing panel will display like this. Okay, in this one just check here editing restriction option is there, editing restriction. So I am going to click on the editing restriction in the checkbox. So whenever I will click on the checkbox, immediately some changes are applied here. No changes, read only. Okay, like this. So in the third step, start enforcement. Are you ready to apply these settings? See here, start enforcement. So yes, starting enforcing protection is there. So now I am going to click on yes, start enforcing protection. Immediately it will ask some password like this. See here, some password. Enter a new password, re-enter password to confirm like this. So here I am going to enter the password. So whatever we want, we enter the password, no issues. So like this. So now I am going to click on OK button. So after clicking on the OK button, see here whenever I am going to type, so it will not affect our document. So whatever we want to do, it will not affect. At least we want to cut, copy, paste also, it will not allowed here. Okay. So like this we have to protect our document. Now we want to stop protection. Stop protection. So how to stop protection? That means see here again we have to click on the restrict editing. Clear restrict editing. So in restrict editing, immediately the right side panel will display like this, restrict editing. So come to down here, stop protection button is there. Stop protection. See here, stop protection button is there. So click on the stop protection. So stop protection. So it immediately it asks the password. So what we entered before itself, we have to enter it one. So I entered the password. Click on OK button. So now see what we entered. Hello. Like this. Everything it will be affect on the document. Okay. Like this we can restrict our document from others, restrict editing our document. Okay, thank you.